look. I'm just not sure if I'm within theme of boho chic.
Hello.
Hi, Tammy.
How you guys doing?
So good. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
Just gonna give everyone else like 5 minutes to hop on, and then we'll start.
Awesome.
Then we can explain why your DMs were blowing up, but not your comment section.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you do have to do that, but you don't start.
Yeah.
Because people aren't coming for you. They're coming for themselves.
Same time, same place, and we will upload the session back into the folder.
Don't forget, guys, tomorrow you guys are presenting to us.
Yeah, so your niche, and if you guys have a strategy or content or anything like that, it's not for grades, it's for an audit. So you want to come with as many mistakes as possible.
Wait.
So we help everything.
Tomorrow's Friday.
Tomorrow's Friday, bruh. I even forgot tomorrow's Friday.
Hey, I'm thinking it's Saturday. I'm like, whoa.
Hi, drillers. Welcome to DIYYolande. My name is Yolande. And I use power tools to empower and educate women. Yes! As you read from the title, this is a vlog. I do hope you guys enjoy it. I'm starting it on a Thursday night. As you've just seen, I was just in a Zoom meeting. There's a course that I'm doing. It's called Vision Forward by Kanya and Alano. And yeah, it's hectic. It's it's really amazing though. My focus this year is to build DIYYolande and give you guys more value. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. If you are, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below with the heart emoji to just show me that, you know what, Yolande, I'm loving these vlogs. I just popped y'all now on the tripod because I actually want to show y'all what I got from Dream Apparel. This order arrived yesterday, and I want to share with y'all these safety boots that I got from Interceptor Africa. They reached out to me. They're like, hey, we love what you're doing. We'd like to send you some safety boots. I believe they've seen that I don't have safety boots. So yeah, they sent me these and I'm just going to show you. And I'll be working with them on a couple of posts. So excited. So yeah, let me show you what I got. Let me show you all these two packages. Let me start off with these. So I'll put the name up here of these boots. They are really nice. I made a big blunder in that I asked for size 5 instead of asking for size 4. They are slightly big, but they're not unbearably big. I mean, these are my fave. Oh my gosh, these are so sexy. These are so sexy. Honey! Okay, attention to detail. There's now a seal. Okay, Dream Apparel. Oh, yes, baby. Yes. Yes, darling. Now, how can you not love this? How can you not love this? It's now days later and I just quickly popped out to go to BOHO to go and pick up my order there. And let me show you. So I picked up this wood for my storage unit that I'll be building for the weekend. I have also received my order from Tata Ogningi, which means take a lot. And I got my boy a mic. This handle with care, fragile, do not drop stickers for my perfume business. And I'm going to hook it on. So I'm going to need you to comment down below and tell me if the audio quality has changed. Let me assemble everything, hook it up, and then see if the audio has changed. So do comment down below and let me know if the audio has changed. So how are the noise levels? How is it? Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let me know. So this is what we're having for supper today. It's mashed potatoes, beef curry, and avocado on the side. So much. Put it up because the plan was to actually do a DIY today, but I was like, nah, not this weekend. So this is how I look. I'm just not sure if I'm within theme of boho chic. Yeah, I'm obviously in my bathroom, and I am wearing these stunning earrings from Mama Nambiti. Stunning, hey? Shades, I got them when I was in the US. They're from, what's this? The shades are from Forever 21, but I've seen similar shades like this also at Mr. Price. This neck piece was from Avon. I'd gotten it as a gift. And then the dress, I don't even have a full-length mirror in this house. I actually need to get a full-length mirror. in this dress. I'll show you the length of it here. I got it at Foschini. Yeah, got it at Foschini or Truett's. No, it was at Truett's. I got it at Truett's. Yeah, it's got these nice deep pockets, which I love. I love dresses that got pockets. Uploading a YouTube video while waiting for the ladies to arrive, guys. You'll see how committed I am to this channel, huh? So please like, comment and subscribe.
Yeah. Until then you get to a point where you're like, no guys, we're not going anywhere. Siyahlala sonke in this house. Akubalekwa, sizoba right.
Good morning. Today is a Sunday. We just had a service here at the house. There was a few of us. All COVID protocols were observed. Hubby has just stepped out to go have a nice men's lunch, men's catch-up session. I'm home alone. The weather is looking kind of grey. So I'm just sitting inside watching YouTube videos. I'm watching 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤. I shall have lunch. What are you doing today? Today is a Sunday, as I mentioned. How's your Sunday going? Comment down below and let me know. I am wearing Dream Apparel, baby. Like, yes, Dream Apparel, apparel. I think I look good in it. Okay. Yeah, so let's go grab some food out of the microwave. It's not fully warm. But I bought these sour worms for my sister when she came and visited, and she didn't like them. She doesn't want sour worms, so I'm gonna test them out to see if I like them, because I like because I like sour ones. Very good. Not sour at all. They're actually sweet. They're sweet and sour. Also we skal some guys in. I shall see hot. See hot. It's not perfect. Because nothing is ever perfect, but yep.